Mental health services in the Macquarie electorate has been a widely discussed topic this federal election among voters. Both Liberal and Labor have committed to increases in funding in the Hawkesbury and Blue Mountains as the need for these services continue to grow. With the outcome of the Macquarie seat still too close to call, it is unsure which candidate and what party will be delivering the proposed increase in funding. The Deputy Mayor of Hawkesbury City, Mary Lyons Bucket, says she believes voters found the issue to be of great importance during this election, especially for those who have experienced mental health issues either themselves or through someone they know.
I think for people affected by it, the promises from both parties to give more in the area of mental health would have been a determining factor.
The Morrison government, alongside Liberal candidate Sarah Richards, announced in April this year that they are committing $1.5 million towards a new Headspace centre to be built in Katoomba. Labor and Macquarie federal member Susan Templeman also proposed additional funding for a Hawkesbury outreach service, as well as a new Headspace centre in Katoomba totalling a promise for $5.5 million in funding. Headspace is a youth mental health service that gives young people aged between 12 and 25 years old much needed support. Currently, there are no mental health services like this in the Macquarie area, but that is soon to change.
It's a Headspace centre like this one in Penrith that the Macquarie electorate has a need for in their own backyard. With limited mental health services for young people, a planned brand new Headspace centre in Katoomba would serve as a good indication that mental health is being taken seriously in the Hawkesbury and Blue Mountains regions.
Western Sydney University student Cody Franich has been affected by the lack of services available in his own area. He currently uses the university's counselling service in Kingswood, but says he hopes for more services to become available closer to home, especially when he completes his degree.
Because I live in the Hawkesbury area, there's not much actually out there for counselling services and that sort of thing. Yeah.
With Scott Morrison and the Coalition winning this federal election and having a majority government, there are worries from voters that Labor's Susan Templeman may not be able to deliver on her promises for mental health. Deputy Mayor Lyons Bucket says although this could be a challenge for Templeman, a Morrison government should support the increase in funding.
Susan Templeman has been successful in getting money in the past from a government which isn't from her party, so I would think the need for mental health would see that promise come through.
Without there being a clear indication just yet on who will be elected the federal member for Macquarie, at least voters can rest assured that mental health is now at the forefront of the conversation for this area. Karen Moss, Greater Western News.